In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fitness website using Wix. Whether you're a seasoned fitness professional looking to expand your online presence or just starting out, creating a website can seem daunting. But with Wix, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. To get started, head over to your Wix account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the My Sites tab, which is located under your account dashboard. This area is essentially your control center for managing all your projects on Wix. Next, you're going to want to create a new site. Look for the Create New Site button and click it. This action will set the stage for building your brand new fitness website. Wix makes the setup process quite intuitive, so you'll find yourself guided each step of the way. Now, you'll have an option to set up without using the Wix Setup Chat feature. Select Set up without chat to proceed. This means you're opting for a more hands-on approach, giving you full control over each aspect of your site's creation. Once you've opted out of the chat, you'll be asked to give your site a basic framework by typing in your niche. In your case, go ahead and type fitness. This helps Wix tailor templates and features to your industry, ensuring your website is designed with fitness in mind. Afterwards, you'll be presented with options most relevant to the fitness niche. Choose fitness to confirm the particular focus of your site. This will prompt Wix to suggest templates and tools that align closely with what a fitness website typically requires. With your niche now defined, hit Continue. This button will lead you to the next phase in setting up your new site. Here, you'll be offered additional design options and potential features to include on your website. Again, click on Continue. This sequence is all about confirming that you're satisfied with the setup guidance Wix has provided. It's like a checkpoint, making sure everything aligns with your vision and goals. You'll have several more opportunities to review and adjust settings by clicking Continue repeatedly as you're guided through the setup. Each continue brings you closer to having a live website. If at any point you're prompted to act on something less relevant, feel free to click Skip to maintain your focus. Eventually, you'll reach the Continue to Dashboard option where you can finalize the broad strokes of your site design approach. Once there, click Design Site. This is where the real creativity begins, using Wix's intuitive tools to stylize and personalize your fitness website. Finally, you'll arrive at the template selection screen. Here, clicking Pick a Template opens up a world of design possibilities tailored to the fitness genre. Browse through the templates until you find one that resonates with your brand and message. With this step, you're equipped to continue building and fine-tuning the unique features of your fitness website. And that's it. You've laid the foundation for your very own fitness website on Wix. Remember, the beauty of Wix lies in its flexibility and ease of use, so feel free to explore all the options it offers to make your site truly your own.